Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we need to just go to search bar and type your services and then click here to open it. So once we are here, we need to find out the performance logs and alerts. So just scroll down, keep scrolling down until we find out. So here it is, performance logs and alerts. So right click on it, select properties, and once we are here, just select startup type as automatic, then click on apply and then OK. And after that, just right click on this Windows icon, select settings. Now simply select system tab. After that, we need to go to scroll down and click on about, then click on advanced system settings. Once we are here, we need to select the hardware tab, then click on device installation settings and select NO. After that, click on save changes, click on OK. Once done, just go to search bar and type your device manager and open it. Then we need to expand the sounds, video and game controllers, and right click on the driver, select properties. After that, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Then if you are connected with your internet connection, then click on search automatically for drivers and the best drivers will be installed. If not, you can select the second option. So after that, just restart the system and your problem will be solved. You are good to go.